What's up, you guys? I'm hairstylist Bradley Leak, and this is my beautiful friend Peyton, and we're gonna give you guys a quick rundown on what we do to create her natural and healthy, lived-in, highlighted look. For us, we always like to work on and focus on keeping her hair healthy. We create a little bit of a pop around the front of her hairline to keep it bright, and we leave a lot of her natural color through the base here, which allows us to keep a low-maintenance color routine, keeping her locks strong, healthy, and looking good between every hair color appointment. Obviously, I'll keep like a veil light on top of your natural. Come in through here and just do a few little micro lights to basically slightly bring that dimension up without changing your base color or feeling like your base color shifted at all.
Okay, yeah.
And then I'll just honestly, because it looks so pretty and it's grown out nice, I'll probably do like 3 foils right here to just like softly bring this up, and then more do a gloss in between this to kind of blend that out.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna go crazy because it looks really good. So honestly, probably like 10 foils.
Okay.
I think. Unless, because I feel like even the ends, like they look really healthy. I don't want to do anything down there.
They do, yeah.
Literally, I'm just gonna focus on this. A few little guys here to just bring that up, and then we'll focus on, doing this. So that way when you pull your hair back,
There's
got
that,
a little pop through there. I want it to still look just like it's your natural hair color, but just like a little bit lighter.
Yeah.